Hello everyone, today we will study about plateaus. The vast area of flat elevated land that is generally bounded by steep slope is known as a plateau. Since plateaus are flat and without any relief, they are also known as tableland. Because of its shape, it looks like a table. It is also known as tableland. Nearly 45% of the land surface is covered by plateaus. Some plateaus extend over thousands of kilometers. Types of plateaus. There are three types of plateaus based on their formation. These are intermontane plateau, lava plateaus and crustal plateaus. First is intermontane plateaus. High plateaus surrounded by mountains are called intermontane plateau. The plateau of Tibet is the highest intermontane plateau in the world with the height of around 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the sea level. Other examples are the plateau of Bolivia, the East African plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. Lava plateaus. The lava that flows from the vents of the volcanoes. Vents means opening of the volcanoes causes the formation of lava plateaus. The Deccan Plateau in India was formed in a similar manner. The Columbia Plateau covers about 5 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface. Here is the picture of lava plateau. Next is crustal plateau. These are formed when the magma below the lithosphere pushes the crust on the top but is unable to break through. As a result, the entire flat land surface above it is uplifted. When the pressure of the magma uplifted the crust, a plateau-shaped landform is formed. This type of plateaus are known as crustal plateaus. This forms a crustal or continental plateau. The high plateau of East Africa and Ethiopia were formed this way. Why are plateaus important? Importance of plateau are following. Major plateaus have important natural resources and are rich in minerals. Plateaus are also called the storehouse of minerals because it contains important natural resources and are rich in mineral. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in India is rich in resources like coal, mica, iron ore and other minerals. As a result, many mining areas in the world are located in plateaus. Second is many plateau regions are suitable for cultivation. For example, Deccan Plateau contains black soil which is excellent for cultivation of cotton. The states where black soils are found in India like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These areas are very famous for the cultivation of cotton. The next importance is often plateaus are places of tourist interest, especially when waterfalls are found on the steep slopes. Plateaus are also important for the tourism. For example, the Sivasamudram Falls in Deccan Plateau attracts a lot of tourists. Besides, the waterfalls on these plateaus are often used for generating hydroelectric power. In waterfall, water falls with very high velocity. The velocity of the water is used for generating hydroelectric power. A good example is the Jog Falls in India.